Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on ICP or Internet Computer. Wanted to do a quick update on that, give you my thoughts on what's going on. The price itself, I mean, look, we got some nice bullish momentum Monday, the 8th of January, so that's over a week ago. But since then, I mean, the price has been fairly stable, which is not bad. I mean, the market right now is not that great. All right, at least some altcoins are suffering quite badly. ICP is holding its own, so that's quite bullish. But it's also, I mean, if you're a loyal ICP fan, or if you're in the community, bullish momentum would be nicer to see. So I kind of wanted to talk about that, what's going on right here, how you can see the market, how I see the market. And then in the end, hopefully you'll get some value from that, but that's up to you. So now let's get right into it. First of all, fundamentally, I always like to look up how ICP is doing. If we look at the total value locked, I mean, it's a bit weird right here, at least where I just looked. But the total value locked is still great. All right, we had a bit of a drop from the peak. Since then also recovered, and it's just up there, all right? So that's fundamentally ICP is still very strong, and that's perhaps also one of the reasons why it's holding up like this. Now ICP on its own though, I mean, at this moment, there really is no trend. If you look at the ADX, that's around 12, which is very, very low, so that's an indication of whether there is a trend or not. And then, look, you could argue, and it wouldn't be wrong, but you could argue that the price is being squeezed or something right now between these two trend lines. But what I always like to say is that if you want the price to be squeezed like this, you need some sort of a trending market. And if the market is not trending, as you can see right now, I mean, we've had squeezes like these a couple of times. I mean, the price was also squeezed right here. It just doesn't react if there's no trend in the market. So I would say in the short term, it's to be expected that ICP will just move in this range between $14 and then here at the bottom, 11.5. So that it moves in that range, probably not the entire time between those levels, as you can see right now, but in general in that range. All right, that's what I think is most likely. But then the remaining question is, well, we're not going to be in that range forever. What's going to happen afterwards? And that's a more difficult question, again, because if you look at the momentum for ICP, it's not really there right now if you look at certain indicators. But if you look at this, you can see that the open interest is still fairly high. All right, so the thing is that the best way to go about this is to wait for a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. All right, so wait for ICP to break above 14 or 14.5, after which more bullish momentum is expected. My first price target would be 17.5. Or wait for ICP to break down below its main support level at 11.5 and $11, after which we will probably get more bearish momentum down to $9. That's technically what you need to wait for. If I would have to give you my most likely scenario from here, I would say that the market structure, if you zoom out enough, very much is still bullish. And it reminds me a little bit of this consolidation we had at the end of December. Then it ended with bullish momentum. The momentum is still relatively high at this moment, so I would say a bullish breakout is most likely. But I would not enter a long position on ICP right now. I would wait for that breakout and then potentially enter, depending on the market circumstances. But those are my thoughts for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. If you want to know when I'm entering ICP, consider joining the Premium and Signal group, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.